Okay, I just got my last box, so I always make sure that I get my last box. So that's one thing I always do. That's what it is. It didn't show my name on the box, so I was making sure. So I got some more of these. I got one more. I also give me a minute, guys. Let me set this over here. I'm gonna put this away now. So, hang on, guys. Okay. So I got those here. Just put those four right down. I got yesterday. So every time when I get give me a minute, guys. Like a box, I take it straight out. If it's like a box like that I can't pass through the shredder, I take it straight out. I'll be right back, hon. I'm trying. So, I take it straight out no matter what. 90 today. Feels like 100. Maybe 120. That's what it feels like out here. But, if I can't see it, it's because of the sun, okay? So, I take this out, like in boxes, straight out. Tomorrow I have to take it to the trash, so it's okay. So, this is what, this way, and there's the dumpster. That's the way to go. And see, that's the bus stand. And I walk back up here. Because if my legs are not feeling good, that's what I do. I'm going to show you guys this. Down here depicts behind the building depicts the one thing I'm going to show you is down here. I think it's very pretty. Okay. See these flowers right here? There's like clouds right there. That's what I want to show you. I don't want to show you guys all pollen now. Because that's one thing that I don't do. But I'll be on in the morning. If I get above 50, if I could go live on my phone, then I'll be live on my phone. Okay? Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye.